At MI Windows and Doors, we equip our facilities with top-of-the-line machinery to build windows that stand up to everyday use. From the glass to the frame, every step of the process is controlled and constantly checked by our quality assurance team. It starts with our vinyl extrusion process. This is where our energy-saving multi-chambered frame featuring a stylish beveled exterior comes to life. You can also choose from multiple design options like interior and exterior colors, grid configurations, and glass styles. Speaking of glass, each of our panes are precisely cut using advanced machinery to fit the exact specifications of your window. Individual panes of glass are then assembled into an insulated glass unit, which is equipped with our non-conductive warm edge spacer system. This unique non-metallic spacer works to reduce heat transfer and improve seal performance to maximize energy efficiency and help prevent condensation. The glass unit is then filled with insulating gas to further improve your window's thermal performance. Energy-efficient windows can help reduce energy loss by up to 30% and increase your home's comfort level. And you can save even more on heating and cooling costs if you choose one of our triple-pane insulated glass packages. Once your insulated glass unit is ready, we prepare the sash and frame, using innovative cutting, fabrication, and welding machinery to fit the exact specifications of your window opening. We then reinforce the sash with metal rails to deliver superior strength and durability. Through advanced engineering, high-tech manufacturing, quality craftsmanship, careful installation, and an industry-leading warranty, you can rest assured knowing you've made the right choice. Work with your authorized MI dealer to get started. To find out more about our windows, visit miwindows.com.